Okay, good evening guys. Welcome back to another training video tutorial on Zingo Forex Trading Academy. My name is Chukkkiee. I am your chief instructor. Now what we're going to do today is I want to teach you how to manage your risks in your Forex trading. Okay, so today's topic is risks and money management. Now we're going to learn how to calculate position size, that's your lot size, using a position size calculator for proper risk management. So first of all, we're going to know what your account size is. Okay, you need to know what your trading capital is. Now let's assume you are using a $1,000 account, and in your risk management plan, you don't want to risk more than 1% of this your capital. Okay, and let's now also assume that your stop loss is placed at 160 pips away from your entry price. So let's go to MetaTrader 4. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Now let's assume you want to take Euro USD. You want to enter a trade on this currency pair. Now let's assume that you want to enter at 1.0865. And your stop loss, you want to place your stop loss here at 1.0722. So what we need to do is this. We need to calculate the pip distance from entry to your stop loss. Now, how to do that is this. Just pull up your calculator and I'll show you what to do. Now, your entry price is higher than your stop loss price because your trade direction is a buy. So what you're going to do is that you're going to surprise your stop loss price from your entry price. And how to do that is this. You just say 108.65 minus 107.22. Okay, notice I didn't include the last two digits. These last two digits are the pipettes, so we want to calculate the pip, not the pipette. So we are not including these last digits. So you are going to approximate this number to the fourth decimal place. Okay, so let's say we do that. We now subtract. Okay, we've now done the subtraction. So you just hit your equal sign. So the difference in pip is 143. So your stop loss is 143 pips away from your entry price. Okay. Now, having gotten this information, what we need to do is that we need to go to the position size calculator. I'm going to show you a very easy to use position size calculator that you should use when you want to calculate your position size. Okay, so let's hop into myfsbook.com. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description of this video. Okay, so now first of all, you need to know your currency pair. We're using the Euro USD, and our currency is denominated in United States dollar. That's our trading account is in USD. Okay, now our account size is $1,000. Okay, now our risk ratio is 1%. Remember, we said we're not going to risk more than 1% per trade. And our stop loss pip level is 143 pips. So you come and type 143 pip here. Okay. Now just go and hit your calculate button. All right. So it has calculated what? It has calculated your position size for this trade. Now the money you're going to risk if you risk 1% of your account size in that trade is $10. Okay. And the lot size you'll be using is a 1 micro lot size. Okay, so these are just the information that you need. So what you need to do is that you go to your MetaTrader 4. Okay, you right click and choose trading and you go to new order. Okay, now where do you come to impute that lot size is here in the volume field. Just come and impute 0.01. Okay, now so when you come down, you come to your stop loss price. You have to impute this price, your take profit price, whatever is your take profit here, you impute it here. Okay, now the type of trade is either you are doing a pending order or a market execution. Whatever is the trade direction or the type of trade you want to take, you come here and select it and you hit your buy button. Boom, and that will be all. Okay, so guys, I hope this video helps. If there's anything you didn't understand here, please find it. Please do not hesitate, do not hesitate to contact me and I will assist you. Okay, all right, thank you very much guys and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.